He says, Michael Saylor's margin call is unlikely. Retired Fire Chief says, hey Jake, if Bitcoin continues to crash and MicroStrategy goes under, do you think that will cause XRP and other utility tokens to rapidly decouple from Bitcoin? So I had the same question earlier today, and I actually got a really good answer. So if you want to go to Smoke over there on Twitter, it's SMQ KEDQG, like Smoke Dog, but with two Q's for the O's. He put out a tweet talking about MicroStrategy and why they would get liquidated, or really kind of why they won't get liquidated. So I'll read this here because it was pretty telling for me. I thought that there may be some products where they would be margin called, or they would have to start to sell assets to meet obligations. But based on what he says here, and again, this is Smoke words, not mine, so maybe there's something here again that I'm missing, but he does a lot of really good research. Again, good account to follow over there on X. He says, Michael Saylor's margin call is unlikely. MicroStrategy's entire holding of 713,000 Bitcoin is unencumbered, meaning it is not pledged as collateral for any loans, and thereby preventing lenders from seizing or forcing sale of these assets during price declines. The company, approximately $8.2 billion in convertible debt, has no maturities, which is what I was concerned about, until 2027 or later, alleviating the immediate pressure to repay these obligations through selling Bitcoin, which is exactly what I thought they would have to do if some of those were coming due, but apparently they're not. Although the recent Bitcoin dip has positioned MicroStrategy stock well below Michael Saylor's average purchase price of around $7,600 or $76,000 per Bitcoin, this does not initiate automatic sales and constitutes only unrealized losses at this time. So they're currently at about $2.1 billion in unrealized losses. But from everything I can tell, I don't see a reason where Michael Saylor is going to have to liquidate Bitcoin right now. Unless Smoke missed something, which he's pretty thorough. So I don't know that that's going to be the case. So after assessing what I could today, prior to this conversation, I don't think there's any imminent cause for Michael Saylor to have to sell his Bitcoin to continue to exacerbate downside in Bitcoin.